I tell you how many story builder for job corner this early morning, my guy, not be small. 168 story building, not for me to jump. Not my guy. As I land, I think I go break waist. I not break waist one. And one of my dada up will come up. You don't understand. In case you are seeing me for the first time, I go by the name MC Igban. Give a chance, make it go. You don't understand. So it be very urgent. Oh man, I'm here today, so you see me, so I got ball out. You don't understand. Based on say man. Today, beautiful princess was born, the diamond was found. You don't understand? That big will be say, yes, he enter Europe, you know, today after day. You don't understand? All those kind of girls. You don't understand? Because people cannot daily body, for those artificial, not day. You don't understand? Can white not join the body. That's so it be. That's why me MC can ball out today, the man can celebrate. You know, I wish you what you wish yourself. I wish you prosperity, age with unlimited success. So anything you put your on for this your new age, you go to go. You're not gonna die for small people. You say me your own not better, you will not go better. You say your water not hot, you will not go enter fire. Now so it be. You say your manga not ripe, you will not go produce. Here your J, you understand? I wish you what you wish yourself in this your new age. I say this your new age, then say not go spoil your name. Who you do for not go know you. So, you go. You don't understand? I wish you long life, prosperity. Who am I talking about? There's no other person that baby, black beauty, Sandra. You don't understand? I wish you long life and prosperity. Sandra, baby, aka the black and shine. I wish you long life, prosperity. Age with unlimited success. You don't understand? The power straight finish. You don't understand? The power be same as you know the chop pasta, everything deal with them, you know understand?
Jesus is Lord!
They there like Snoop Dogg. I wish you long life and prosperity. I say enjoy your day for this your new age. You know understand? Your parents, they say man, I wish you happy birthday, your loved ones. Those people will be say they love you, they say man, I wish you happy birthday. They say, you go to go, so you're not going to die for small picking. So this celebration not going to be your last celebration. So now celebration, you got to celebrate, they go. You don't understand? Very J. I wish you long life and prosperity. Age with unlimited success. Enjoy your day like every day, you don't understand? Nothing touch you, be also poor for your matter. Give her water, give her. Enjoy your day, one love. Very J.